Alright, I got the rims done. At least one pass on them.
Let's get in the shop and build something.
I can't go much further on the nitrous. I'm waiting on some stuff that's supposed to be here tomorrow. Then I can get that finished up. Waiting on fittings and such. So, what I started last night while I was waiting is my rims have not been polished since I bought them, I don't know, 6 years ago, something like that. I always take Windex and try and clean the dust off of them so they look presentable, but they ended up getting kind of dull looking, and it was bothering me. Originally I was going to have them powder coated, and then I got a quote to have all 4 of them powder coated, and it's like $450, and I just thought that's money I can spend somewhere else. So instead I spent, I don't know, 20 something I think it was, on some Jack's Wax metal polish. This is not a paid endorsement or nothing. I paid for it with my own money, and I'm not getting anything from this. So, but on a recommendation of a couple other channels, I decided to try it over some metal glitz or something like that, or Mothers, whatever. But anyway, so let me show you. That's what the front rim looked like, and just after about 15 minutes of working with it, that's what the other rim looks like. You can clearly see a difference. I need to do it more, but just look at 15 minutes and what a difference. Now if you look at the back, they weren't near as bad, but if you look at that one, you can see it's kind of grody looking. The other one was the same way, and I apologize, but see how shiny that one is now? That was about 20 minutes worth. So it definitely works. The other thing I did was I bought this kit off Amazon. You put them in your drill press. Sorry, I'm not trying to make you sick, but you know, your drill press. You put them in your hand drill, and they're polishing wheels. There, all different sizes and shapes. I was using this one to get down in the slots there. It worked pretty well, it seemed like. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to work on. You can watch me do this. We'll do one, get started on it anyway. Let me get things turned around and you can watch me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take some Windex and just kind of clean, you know, the loose stuff off of it. Some channels I watched that showed you how to do this had some different stuff that they used, but I'm a cheap bugger. I didn't buy it. So as you can see, the rim's not too terrible, but it still has some dulling to it. And now I'm not planning on taking some 1000 grit or whatever and scuffing this up, because I don't want to get into the clear coat on it. I'm just really trying to just clean it up and give it a little bit of a shine. Alright, we'll put this in the pocket. Alright, so one thing you got to do is shake this stuff up. That's what the instructions say. Shake it up good, because the product will separate. Alright. Get get set up here and go to the, start out with the big wheel. I tried to drill both low and high and didn't really see any appreciable difference, so I just left it on low. That way I don't have to worry about anything getting hot. Okay. Alright. So take a little product, put it on. I'm going to start down here in the middle, or in the center hub. And you'll notice it's starting to get some black coming off of that even. So, all right, we'll do that. Let's save those two and this other side for next one. All right, so basically what it says to do is wipe it on, and they say you can use your cloth and do it, but let's try this. I'm not pressing hard at all. Alright. I don't know how long that was, but not very long. Then I'm going to take my clean rag and just wipe off any excess there on that. Now I'm going to go down into the spokes, I guess you'd say, or the whatever you call these holes. And right now I'm not using the power tool on this, just to see what it comes out looking like. Okay, that's not bad. Now we will go ahead and do the rest of it going there. So it does not take very much product on here. Okay. That on there. Let's rotate the ram here. I did find that if I use that, like if I had a little bit of stain from something dripped on it or something, this worked real well to clean that off. Alright, we'll give it a little shake, shake, shake again. Now I'm going to do, basically from the valve stem over, do half, and then we'll do the other half. See that black stuff there? Alright. Oh. Okay. Now we'll hit it with this. Alright, so that was that side. Now we'll do the other half here. Like it is. Yeah, it's really doing a number on it. So there you go. One quick application, brought it up, got a nice shine on it. I think I'm going to do one more time here, but I'll catch you on the next one.